Now, as Confucius said in 1800 BC, the molecules of the hydrogen combine with the molecules of nitrogen to become audaciously combined as a fork. Now, this fork is not a regular fork, I think.
Come with me. What's going on? Deja vu. There's a glitch in the motion. That means the agents are around. We need help. Do you have any coins?
Sorry, no.
Man, I needed a drink. Oh well.
You are the one.
What do you mean? What do you mean I'm the one?
Like in that movie The Matrix where the computers take over the world. Have you seen it? Come, let me show you.
Hey, I remember this from the movie.
You guy, you better just shut up. I do the explaining. Do you remember that lady in black? Her name was Xianghua. She will take
Xianghua?
you. Yes, she will take you to the oracle. She will tell you if you are the one.
We've been expecting you.
She's the Oracle?
You are the one. Believe in yourself. That is the way to defeat the Mongshi.
Good afternoon. Show me what you got, Mr. Zhao.
Wait! I don't know how to fight. Can we play checkers instead?
Don't worry, I'll hook you up with dope program.
I know Ballet?
Oh yeah, long disc. This is the light disc. Yeah, it is coming.
I know Kung Fu. Let's get down to business. Confucius say, you sleep in class, you catch meningitis. Phew, bad dream.
Good afternoon.